Hello everyone, again it's a third thank you to Roberto, who's serving in our nation's military. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. Come with me and let me show you why Roberto got a really cool pair of glasses. In fact, before we begin, if you like what you see here, please give us the thumbs up. We never monetize our videos. We're just here to show you some really cool frames and lens combinations as they become available. So please give us the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you like. But Roberto got the Ray-Ban 2140 color 901, which is the classic shiny black, and the 54 size that I affectionately call the windshield. It comes in 50 and a 54. You get the soft flip over Italian leather Ray-Ban case with cleaning cloth and junk mail that's in there. And of course this one is covered in here. It goes through all the different frames. There it is, the Wayfarer. Of course, the original demo lenses that came out of there. And he got the Zeiss Polycarbonate Gray C Polarized, the darkest polarized you can get, with the shiny silver mirror. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, same for the left. Classic styling here. That silver matches the shield and the Ray-Ban emblem on the side. This is what it looks like when he wears them. He's got that same square jawline. But again, this comes in a 50 eye size, and then the windshield, the 54. This is for complete protection and coverage while you're outdoors. Now, when he looks out, he sees the polarized gray. When people look at him, they see the silver mirror. A dark lens absorbs the sun's rays. A mirrored lens reflects it back, making it 40% darker for the wearer. So yeah, it has the cosmetic effect that you look cool, but that's not the reason they put the mirror on there. The mirror is to offer even more protection. It will make things even darker. If you are light sensitive, get any of the mirror coatings. I can do. So he got the one in the middle, the shiny silver. There's a matte silver, shiny silver, matte gold, shiny gold, a matte blue, shiny blue, the cool blue they just came out with in full disclosure. That's the color I wear, a green and a red, and I can do any of those, but that's the one that he got, the one in the center below that, for his polarized gray lenses. So that's that. If you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Call Jigsaw, my partner/apprentice, at 919-491-2411. He is multilingual. He just set up a WhatsApp account with a +1 in front of that number. Anyone else can leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But again, Roberto, thank you so much for your service to this country and for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 2140 size 54 color 901. I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video, to everyone who wants to see all the colors and sizes that this frame came in. But he got it in the size 54 in the classic shiny black 901 with polarized gray lenses. The nice thing about the mirror, it comes again with its own back surface anti-glare. Zeiss throws that in. That's a $69 feature that they put on a $100 lens. So essentially the mirror is $31, since you're getting the anti-glare for $69 with it. So again, thanks for the purchase. Everyone else, click on the link above, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.